guys, my name's Faith and today we are making a Valentine's arrangement. Here's one that we've got that's it's a super cute little centerpiece, gift for your significant other, your bestie, your mom. For supplies, I have got a pot here, similar to this one. We've got it in a lighter pink. We've drilled a hole in the bottom that is ample for drainage. We want that. I have chosen this Phalaenopsis orchid and this Peperomia beetle. Just the perfect little mix here. And then I've also got some soil and then moss that I'm gonna put on top to give it a little decoration. I'm going to start by filling this maybe a quarter of the way full, maybe a third. And then I'm going to kind of start to settle my plants in there and see where they land, if I need to add more soil or take some out. For my orchids, since they like to be in moss and have a lot of aeration, I'm gonna leave it in the pot and just set it in here. That way we'll kind of keep that bubble around the orchid and keep it healthier in this arrangement. This will help to keep the roots from rotting or overwatering or causing issues with the plant. All right, so I have got some dirt in my pot. I'm going to start by setting this in here, and I can see that this is at a level that I want it to be. I'm gonna start with this guy, get him out of his pot, loosen up the roots just a little bit, give him some room to kind of wiggle into his new soil. Start by setting this guy in here. Add a little more soil, bring it up a little bit. I'm gonna squish them along the edge here so I can fit my orchid. Give it a little wiggle wiggle. I'm going to just go around and backfill with some soil. I don't want to be filling this too tight, but I want it tight enough that it is going to help keep the plant secure in here. What are your Valentine's Day plans? Do you have a hot date? Are you spending some time on the couch with a new TV show? Are you going out with your besties? Let us know down below. Kind of just zhuzhing the soil around there, cleaning up the edges, giving this a little floof since she's a little smooshed in the front. Now I'm going to take some sheet moss. We sell this here. We sell all these supplies here. So if you're looking to make your own centerpiece, we have got you covered. I'm going to just add this around. I mean, I don't need too much. This plant fills up almost the whole pot, but I'm just gonna add this around to give it a little bit of a finishing touch. I feel like it just makes it look a little fancier, a little more finished off than if I was to leave it without. Little zhuzh, zhuzh, zhuzh. Clean those leaves off. I think I'm happy with that. She's cute. I mean, it's simple. It's literally just two plants, some moss in a pot, but I feel like it is a way to elevate your house plants. We're gonna be adding a little Valentine's touch with this dogwood. We're gonna be making a heart out of it to really dress her up. I've never made this before, so you're gonna be learning with me. I've just got some beading wire. It's gold just because it's gonna be visible to make it a little cuter. I'm going to start by wrapping this around, I would say maybe a foot down, and just wrap it around a couple times so that it is secure. I'm gonna do this pretty tight just because we're gonna be bending this around, so I wanna make sure that's not gonna come undone. Take my wire cutter. Now for the magic, we're going to bend these down. Oh, turn these guys around. Give her a little zhuzh zhuzh. Bring her up a little bit. How darling. Now we've got a cute little heart. And then I'm going to secure the bottom of this really well with the wire as well. I might even add a zip tie too, just to make sure that it is nice together because the tension. Now I'm going to secure the bottom of this one as well, just to make sure she is nice and secure. Give that a little snip. You don't want to cut right below because we are going to use these stems to stick into our arrangement. So I'm going to cut about 6 inches from my zip tie there. You can cut more, you can cut less, up to you, as long as you have enough to pop in there. I am going to take this and wiggle her on into our arrangement. Stick her in there, add a touch more moss, clean up my mess. And there we are. And then after Valentine's Day, you can pull out the dogwood. You can leave it in if you're into hearts. You can take the plants out of the pots, put them in their own pots. You can leave them in here and they can be a little collective ecosystem. We've got a lot of arrangements made up right now. They are all looking beautiful. The good thing about them is that they last longer than flowers. They last as long as you can keep them alive. If you are looking for something custom, we do that as well. You can give us a call or stop in. As always, I hope you found this helpful. Check out our website for more information. Be sure to subscribe, like this video to see more, share with a friend, share with your boo for some gift ideas, and we hope to see you soon. Bye!